in one hadith, the Prophet has said that more women will go to hell because they are ungrateful to their husbands. Please explain this hadith.
The sister asked a question that one hadith says that there will be more women in hell because they are unfaithful to their husbands. I don't know if the second part is correct or not, but I know hadith which just say that women will be more in hell. Some say that the Rugibat, etc. But I know there's a hadith which says that there will be more women in hell. But logically, if I have to consider, in the world today there are more women than men. So if I agree with you, equal number of women and percentage of men and women will go to hell, then surely even in hell there will be more women than men. But the good part of it, that if I put the same percentage in heaven also, then inshallah even in heaven there will be more women than men. And that's the discussion having one of the scholars. And the hadith which says that in Jannah, if the wife and the husband go in Jannah, then the wife will be with you. And it says that in Jannah you will have many hurain, more women. So but naturally if each man, good man, is going to have multiple women, then inshallah in the hurain, the show, but natural, the percentage, the number of women in Jannah will be much more than men. A sister, whenever hadith is given, it gives the reason. So it should realize that behind that, should say that it is just giving emphasis that one of the criteria which may take you to hell is being unfaithful to your husband. One of the criteria that will take you to hell is doing ghibat. So based on these, and though the fact is there that there will be more women in hell, but the fact is also that there will be more women in Jannah. But the main core factor of this hadith is that women should not be unfaithful to their husband. Women should not do ghibat. Hope that answers the question.
California dreaming about